Namaste. Welcome to India. We are here in Agra in the lovely hotel, Taj Plaza. And it's really close to the east gate of Taj Mahal, about 5 minutes walk. I really like this hotel for many reasons. Friendly staff, very helpful, thank you very much. It has a business center. It has a restaurant right in here with great service and great price. And also my favorite, a great rooftop. With that being said, let's come and check out the restaurant. So there's a restaurant here, and these are the amazing staff, thank you very much. They serve really good food. They have all kinds of food you can choose, Indian, they even have Chinese food, believe it or not. And they open from 7 in the morning to 10:30 at night. And on top of that, they offer really great price, the local price, not the touristy one. Well, this is a business area, and they have different computers that you can use 24 hours a day. Their Wi-Fi in this hotel is amazingly fast, and I really love that. With that being said, let's check out other part of the hotel. So this is my favorite room. This is the family room. It has 2 queens bed. It comes with the linens, very clean linens, private shower and toilets, and as well, amazing view of Taj Mahal. Now, this is my favorite part of the restaurant, is actually the terrace. And if you want, you can bring your food up here. They will bring it up and serve it to you right in here. It's really nice, and you get a really nice view, the best view of Taj Mahal in the entire city.